Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to master how to find the area of a trapezoid. Specifically, we will understand the logic behind the formula, which is often described as average base times height. First, let us define what a trapezoid is. It is a four-sided shape, or quadrilateral, that has exactly one pair of parallel sides. We call these parallel sides the bases and the non-parallel sides the legs. To calculate the area, you need to identify three specific values. Base 1, usually the bottom, base 2, usually the top, and the height, which is the straight-up vertical distance between the two bases. Here is the formula you need to know. Area equals 1/2 times the sum of base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by the height. It looks complex, but it is actually very simple once you break it down. Why do we use this specific math? Think about a simple rectangle where area is just base times height. A trapezoid has a long base and a short base. So, to be fair, we take the average of the two bases to find a middle value. If you were to draw a line exactly in the middle of the legs, that length is the average of the top and bottom bases. Multiplying this middle length by the height gives you the area perfectly. Here is a very common mistake students make. Do not measure the slanted side or leg. That is not the height. The height must always form a 90-degree angle with the base. If it is leaning, do not use it for area. Let us try a practice problem. Here we have a trapezoid with a bottom base of 12 meters, a top base of 8 meters, and a vertical height of 5 meters. We need to find the total area. We plug our numbers into the formula. 12 plus 8 equals 20. Half of 20 is 10. Finally, 10 times the height of 5 gives us a total area of 50 square meters. This is not just for math class. This formula is used in construction for calculating roof shingles, in civil engineering for designing dams and canals, and even in fashion design for handbags. To recap, remember that a trapezoid has two parallel bases. Find the average of those bases by adding them and dividing by 2. Then, multiply by the straight vertical height. You are now ready to solve trapezoid problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.